Here we have a swinging six sporran that's been handed in to have a repair done to its eyes. This sporran was not made by us, but we never turn away work due to it being made elsewhere. Our customer wasn't happy with the eyes on his sporran, and upon closer inspection we agreed with him that the holes in the mask were far too big for the glass eyes. When taking on any repair like this, you have to be confident in your skills to rebuild sporrans, as in this case we knew to get to the eyes we have to take the head off the body, strip the leather work down and be able to rebuild the sporran as it originally was. After taking the head off the body and stripping it down, we soaked the mask overnight in water, which allows you to manipulate the skin and fix anything. And that's what we've done here. We have stitched the eye holes smaller to hold the eyes better for the customer before reattaching the skin to the mould and attaching the head back onto the body. And you can see a quick before and after in our next slide. So here's a quick recap of what he looked like before. You can see the eye holes are far too big. There's actually glue spilling out the eye sockets. And here's the after. You can see he's all nice and neat. We've stitched 3 or 4 stitches in his eye sockets just to really taper the eye sockets in the mask there for him.